Lucky Nanay for today. So ngayon naman, magpapablow tayo ng kanyang Rafa Bells cake. Pero bago yan,
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
isang masayang araw sa ating lahat, mga ka-JFS. I am Ate Angel, your love and surprise ambassadress. At kung kaninang umaga ay dumako tayo sa Calabanga at sinurpresa ang isang pinakabonggang tatay, ngayong hapon na naman ay dadako tayo sa Concepcion Grande, Naga City upang surpresahin din ang isang pinakabonggang nanay na talagang bibigyan natin ng swak at sulit na packages from JFS Petals and Services. So tara na't kilalanin na natin kung ano ang mga regalo na ibibigyan natin sa ating lucky nanay mamaya. Siyempre, hindi magpapahuli ang ating bubble balloon na may You're the Best Mama. Meron tayong Rafa Bells cake. At syempre, meron tayong napakabonggang fresh flower bouquet. At haharanahin din siya ng ating surprise aranista na si Kuya Gab. So talagang napakabongga na naman ang regalo ang ating ihahatid kahit papatapos na ang araw. And to follow for our social media accounts for Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channel, JFS Petals and Services. We don't just create but we captivate. Patuloy lang tayong magbigay ng sorpresa at hashtag JFS lang ang malakas. Tara na't kilalanin si Nanay all the way from Concepcion Grande, Naga City. So, andito na tayo sa Villa Grande Subdivision. Tara na't samahan niyo akong sorpresahin ang ating lucky nanay for today. So guys, alam mo, paikot kami 2 beses. Sa pag-subdivision talaga, mahirap hanapin yung bahay. Cute ang doorbell, oh. Pero, huwag niyo pansinin yung tali ko sa likod, ah. Papansin tayo kay Nanay Leonida Canaba. Leonida Canaba.
Pwede po ba ako?
Ay, papasok.
Pwede po ba?
Sige po.
Pagbigyan mo.
Tao po.
Bakit po? Oy, mga ano po?
Maray na hapon po. Ay, andito po si Ma'am Leonida Canabe. Ma'am Leonida Canabe.
Ano po yan? Ma'am. Pasok po. Sa'yo daw, ma po.
Hi, Ma'am Leonida Canabe po.
Yes?
Ay, hello po. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good afternoon po. Ma'am, may pa-receive lang po.
na lang kayo.
Ay, sige po. Okay lang po, Ma'am. Tatayo na lang po muna kami.
Ano po, person?
kailangan na po namin magpa-receive po ng mga essential kit po for seniors po kasi naglilipot po kasi kami ngayon from NGO for senior citizens po. So, bali,
It's for free?
yes ma'am, it's for free and free and free.
Sandali ka mabuda. Ayuda.
Hi, Mami! Halika po, Mami! Ay, sige po, dito muna. Bali, Mami, nalaman ko po yung pangalan nyo kasi po nakausap naman po namin yung mga ano po dito, yung mga kagawads po sa barangay. So, kaya po namin nakuha. Kaya po, papareceive po namin ngayon sa inyo. Pwede po ba kayong sumama sa amin para po, doon na po, ayun lang po ma'am yung kotse, doon lang po. Papareceive lang po namin para diretso po kami makapapirma sa inyo. Pwede po sumama sila para po ano po.
Ayun ma.
Oo, ayun lang po.
Bakit ang bigat?
Opo, Mami. Mga isang sako po essential. Charot lang, Mami. Hindi po, ano lang po. Para po makita niyo po doon, nandun lang, Mami, sa
Ayun lang.
kotse. Pwede po
Yan
kasi
po, ano?
namin dala. Yung maroon, yung pong maroon na kotse. Aray ko, yung...
Dali na dito. Oo, marami naman silang ikakarga.
Hindi, Mami, kailangan po sumama ka. Saglit lang po.
Kaya masign ka. Masign.
Opo, kailangan po kasing kasama si Mami.
Bakit? Ano ba yan?
Sige, antayin natin si Mami. I'm just wondering. Tara, Mami! Okay na po, nakamask naman po ako. Essential.
Haliki, Will!
Yes po! Galing po kayo.
Nakakasarap ano kami, nanonood, kaso nga lang.
Ay, nanonood po talaga kayo ng Wheel of Fortune. Sige, Mami. Dito po tayo, Mami. Sa amin po kasi tinats ni Papa Will para po, sabi niya daw po gusto kayong ma-surprise ng essential kit. Essential kit.
Tomorrow.
Ay, birthday niyo po tomorrow. Ay, saktong-sakto po. Ilang taon ka na po, Mami, bukas?
Oh, sa tingin ko ilang taon na ako.
Tingin ko po, Mami, 25 years old ka pa. Hindi ko po napaghahalata ang senior. Halika dito, Mami.
Ano yan? Bigas?
Ito, Mami. So, Mami,
Uy, baka ano mo yan sa Facebook?
ay, hindi man po. Mami, bali po, andito yung mga essentials na pinabibigay ni Papa Will. So, gusto niyo na po ba makita?
Of course.
Of course. Okay, Mami. So, pwede niyo na po itong buksan para po kayo mismo ang maka-witness kung anong essential ang regalo ni Papa Will.
Kaya Will talaga.
Yes, Mami! Kay Willie Revillame talaga, Mami.
Grabe!
Sige, Mami.
Willie!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hello, Mami. Halika dito, Mami. Saglit lang po. Hello, Mami. We are from the JFS Petals and Services po. At ito pong regalo na to ay para po sa inyo na pinabibigay ng inyong maswerteng anak ko. Pinakabonggang anak. Dahil ito po, Mami, sash na to. Isuot niyo po itong happy birthday namin. Para po yan sa inyo dahil kayo ang reyna namin ngayong araw. Para naman natin si Mami. Apo. Galing sa kanyang pinakamamahal na apo.
Ako yan, eldest apo.
At syempre po, tanggapin nyo rin ang pinakabonggang fresh flower bouquet para din po sa inyo.
Siguro ako
Ayan,
lang
Mami.
yan.
At syempre, meron din po kaming bubble balloon na may You're the Best Mama. Wow, You're the
Hindi
Best
ninyo alam?
Mama.
Hindi ninyo alam?
Hindi nyo ba alam? Hindi nyo ba alam? Kasabot po namin yan. Syempre, Mami, meron ka din ditong Happy Birthday Mama na banners at syempre mga pictures nyo. At syempre, Mami, may regalo din po kaming harana para sa inyong mamaya na ibibigay ni Kuya Gab. So, bago yan, may gusto kong basahin na message na pinabibigay para sa inyo.
Magkakwenta dyan sa isang bahay.
Ay, okay lang po, saglit lang po. Ayan.
itong araw-araw.
So, ito na po yung message, Mami, para sa inyo. So, my dearest Mama, 1 million birthday wishes are not enough to express how thankful I am for all the love and wisdom you have taught me over the years. I just want to let you know that while I may not get the opportunity to see you every day, that doesn't mean you don't reside in my heart and mind. You deserve the world, Mama. But I hope I made you happy on your special day with this surprise, and I am definitely the luckiest grandchild in the world because God has blessed me with the world's most wonderful grandma. Stay gorgeous and healthy and happy, sending all from the love from UK. So yung po message ay para sa inyo. So, Mami!
Ay, tangtay. Di ko maano kung paano ang sa aking sasabihin. And then, I'm very happy. I'm very surprised. Ano naman ang ako?
Ayan. Si Ma'am po si Ma'am Yuki po, ang Papa Will natin ngayong araw. Ayan, Mami.
Ginamit pa ninyo si Papa Will. Magpapasalamat pa ko.
Ano talaga? Mami, so ano naman pong gusto niyo sabihin sa inyong apo na nasa UK na nagpa-sorpresa nito?
Dad, ay, this is really a surprise. And ang galing mo naman na. Ang galing mo talaga, baby ko. Talagang you made my day. Hindi pa man ako nagpo-birthday tomorrow pa, pero ngayon pa lang, I'm so happy na. And I know God is in control of all of this. Alam ko na i-bless ka niya lalo, apo ko. Rest assured na ako rin kahit malayo ka, you're always in my heart and in my prayers. Regards na lang lahat sa inyo dyan. Kay Kiefer, si Nini, si Rookie, si Ira, si JJ. I love you all so much. Okay, love you. Thank you so much. Ano mo?
Ayan, Mami. So,
Nandiyan ka pa.
Nakakakilog si Mami. Charot lang, Mami. So, Mami, bago po yan, meron din po akong
Oras dyan.
Sige po, Mami. Sige po, Mami.
Ay, umaga na, no, bebe? Umaga na.
Morning. Ay, bago po yan, Mami, meron lang akong gustong ipapanood na video message. Pwede ba nating palakasan yung speaker natin? Dahil meron akong gustong ipapanood na video message na ipinabibigay din natin ng ating Papa Will ngayong hapon. Ayan po. Ay, hindi po malakas. Wait lang, ulitin natin. Hindi po malakas ang ating speaker.
Paano ngayon na-contact nila?
To Papa Will William po. Charot lang. JFS Battles and Services po, Mami. May page po kami. Nagsusurpresa po talaga kami ng mga nanay, ng mga all of the above. Okay na ba? Mami.
Throughout the globe?
Apo. Yes po. Okay po. Sige po, okay. May Mami, smile. Ayan, so, charot lang po. Mami, ito na po ang yung video message galing sa inyo.
Hi Ma! Happy birthday po. This is like my 6th take kasi I couldn't stop crying po on the other ones. But I just wanted to say, I hope you like the surprise that I had planned for you. I did it with fans' help and I thought when I saw this on Facebook, JFS, I said to myself that this is something that, I really want to do for Mama. She means the whole world to me and, it's a small thing because you deserve so much in the world, but it's just a little thank you to say, thank you for everything, Ma. I know we don't really talk every day. It's really hard being so far away, but I just want to say I love you, I miss you, and I'm just grateful for you every day and always, Mama. I love you so much and happy 72nd birthday and many more to come, Mama. God bless and I hope to see you very soon. I love you. Mwah. I said I love you so much.
Meron pa po. Meron pa mga video message.
Oh, hello Ma. Happy birthday to you. You don't look a day over 45. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll hopefully see you very soon. Cheers. Bye.
Hi Ma, happy birthday to you. Thank you for being so kind and accepting for me, even when I may not be the most qualified person to marry your daughter. Once again po, happy birthday. Enjoy your
Bihis ka kasi kaagad.
very special
Wala
po, ma. And
Surprise
God bless
na.
you always.
Pero at least you're not going.
I love you
Hindi ako nakadaster.
so much.
Dumating kayo. Oh.
Cheers.
Oy.
Happy birthday, Ma. happy birthday, Mama. You don't look a day over 45. You look so good for your age. And I wish to age like you when I grow up because you look like a goddess as always. So, I also have a special surprise for you, Mama. I'm gonna be singing! Yay! I'm gonna be singing Reflection from Mulan because apparently it's one of your favorite songs. And I will be doing that for you today.
Ganda po ng ako niya, no?
Let's get to it!
Ay, akala ko ako siya po siya.
Charot. Lahat ko kasi yan.
Alat ko po ako. Ay, ang ganda niyo po.
Look at me. I've only ever passed from to play this part. Now I see that if I were truly to be myself, I would break my family's Is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Somehow I cannot hide who I am, though I try. When will my reflection show who I am inside?
Kaya pala
When will my reflection show who I am inside?
The last one po.
Hindi ako inisip sa akin.
I hope you enjoyed that, Mama. That's a really hard song to sing, but I did it for you because I love you. It's really sad that we're not able to visit you and everyone in the Philippines. And it's really hard to communicate, and it's terrible. But one day, I will be able to perform to you and everyone face to face.
Sabi na gustong-gusto na niyan magawin.
I hope you're healthy. I hope you're safe, Mama. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. We're all lucky to have you in our lives. And I hope you have an amazing day. I love you. I miss you. And happy birthday!
Hi, Ma! Happy birthday! Surprise! Well, I actually did the first video, but I thought that was too long, so I'll make it short. Happy birthday! Happy 72nd birthday! I love you as always. I hope you enjoy Artist's gift. As you know, she's always emotional, but very thoughtful in every way. She thought of this gift for you very well, and she's just the loveliest granddaughter you can ever have.
Yeah, I agree.
So hope you enjoy. We miss you. Sorry we missed last year's anniversary, you and Papa's anniversary. We missed this year again, but hopefully next year we will see each other. Love you so much and enjoy.
Ayan. So, yan po yung mga
Natapos
video
rin.
messages. Napakaba, tsaka mga Englishero talaga, mga palangka. So, Mommy, kamusta naman Ang feeling na feeling dalaga ngayon, di ba? Nakakadalagas. Pero hindi pa dyan nagtatapos po. Dahil papasok tayo, dito na ba o sa loob na lang? Sa loob na lang tayo? Papasok muna tayo, mami, sa loob. Dahil aranahin kayo ng napakagwapong surprise saranista namin na si Kuya Gab.
Wow!
Hello guys! Home sweet home! Dahil nandito na tayo sa bahay ng ating celebrant for today. Pero bukas pa ang birthday niya. Pero may pa-advance gift na tayo para kay Nanay Leonida. So tara na't samahan niyo pa rin kami at haharanahin siya ng ating surprise saranista na si Kuya Gab.
I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wandered far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love and you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? It's your love. How deep is your love? I never need to learn. 'Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. I believe in you. You hold the door to my very soul. You're the light in my deepest, darkest heart. You're my savior when I call. And you may not think I care for you, but you know down inside that I really do. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Your love, how deep is your love? I really need to learn. 'Cause we're living in the world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. Kumusta man mami ang harana mami?
Very good.
Ba't ka kinikil?
Magandang song.
Meron pa tayong isang song. You're my peace of mind in this crazy world. You're everything I try to find. Your love is a pearl. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies. And my only prayer is that you'll realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. The world will turn and the seasons will change, and all the lessons we will learn will be beautiful and strange. We'll have our fill of tears and our share of sighs, and my only prayer is that you'll realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. You will always be beautiful in my eyes. And the passing years will show that you will always grow so beautiful in my eyes. You're my Mona Lisa, you're my rainbow skies, and my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes.
I hope I am really is.
Okay guys, so yan ang dalawang tugtog na inihandog natin sa ating lucky nanay for today. So ngayon naman, magpapablow tayo ng kanyang Rafael's cake. Pero bago yan, kakanta muna tayo ng happy birthday for mommy. 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Mommy, make a wish and blow your candle.
First of all, thank you so much, Lord. Thank you for this life that you are giving me, Dawa Tumorpa. And there, thank you so much. You really made my day. Love you so much. And I wish I could live longer para maging to continue give you all give you wisdom to all of you mga apo ko. Wisdom and support if I can still do it. And Lord, thank you so much.
Yay! Again, Mommy, happy birthday po. So, Daddy, since birthday namin yung pinakamamahal na only one. Ma'am, is Daddy, ano naman kung gusto niyo sabihin? Para muna ka. Only one.
Kiss!
Papasalamat kay Lord na for giving another year, me alone, sa the only wife ng
Halika dito.
kanyang husband.
Yes, o ano pa?
Alaman!
At sana, bigyan ko siya ng more birthdays kay Lord.
O, Daddy, isang, ano bang wish mo? I-kiss ka ni Mami or ikaw ang makis? Si Mami ang makis o ikaw ang makis?
Hindi siya mag-kiss na.
Dada ikaw na lang Daddy ang makis. Daddy, kiss naman.
Pag birthday mo, kikis din kita.
Wow! Again, Mama, happy birthday po. At masaya kaming JFS team na napasaya po namin kayo. So, any last message po? Thank you message? Bago po natin tapusin ng video nito.
Yes. Thank you talaga. I cannot thank you enough. Grabe. Maray na sila today ako nakadaster. Oh, this is really a surprise. Dapat may dikit manahin. Antay magbado ka dyan ng maray, tabi videohon. Anyway, thank you all so much. You are all very awesome. Mga very young and yet naisipan nila yan bagay na ini na magpaugma sa mga aruming. Imagine 72 years old na nakapiri na retarsin pa ng bukay. Thank you so much. Ang gusto ko, pagsalo-saluhan natin yan.
Hi, mamaya Mami maglabas ka na ng Coke, Sprite.
Wag na, cake lang.
Ay, paano pag nakuhaw? Thank you so much, Mami. Masaya din po kami dahil nakakapagpasaya kami. And again, happy birthday po. More birthdays to come. And stay strong sa inyo ni Jessa. Again, we are the JFS Petals and Services. We don't just create, but we captivate. Follow on our social media accounts. Like, share, and subscribe. Again, magbabay ka naman, Mami.